Working with theological research software and have an LS2 file? This is a library system resource from Logos Bible software used for digital biblical study. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Logos library files. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken LS2. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. LS2. Files are library system resource files used by Logos Bible software, a digital biblical study platform. They contain theological reference materials, including biblical texts, commentaries, lexicons, and scholarly works in Logos' specialized format, optimized for advanced biblical research and study workflows by pastors, students, and biblical scholars. LS2. Library files use Logos' proprietary format, storing structured biblical and theological content with extensive metadata cross-references, morphological tagging, and Greek and Hebrew language support. The format includes book structure verse mapping search indexes and link references, enabling Logos' powerful theological research and cross-reference capabilities. For direct reading of LS2 content, the best choice is Logos Bible software developed by Faith Life. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows offers a limited display, so complete control over the document requires proper tools. Your first troubleshooting move: right-click the LS2 file and select Open With. Try launching it using Logos Bible software if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If the LS2 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, opening in Logos software. Launch Logos Bible software and ensure your library is properly configured. LS2 files are typically managed automatically by the application as part of its library system. Resources purchased through Logos download to your library and become accessible through the application's research tools without manual file handling. Next, repairing library issues. If LS2 resources display issues, use Logos' resource repair tools through Tools, then Library Catalog, then Repair. The repair process verifies and re-indexes library resources, fixing common access problems. This troubleshooting step often resolves issues with specific resources not displaying correctly in research workflows. Finally, migrating across devices. Logos provides cloud synchronization, keeping your library accessible across desktop and mobile devices. Sign in to your Faith Life account on each device to access purchased resources. This synchronization eliminates manual file transfer of LS2 files, since the application manages library resources through its cloud infrastructure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.